Oh my God. It's coming this way. Oh my God! It's coming! Oh my God! That is fucking freaky. It's coming this way, Tom.
I know. You might suck our van up.
What if we die? Look how bad it's getting.
Oh, fucking hell. That's a big one, that, isn't it?
Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Go get in it.
That is fucking big actually now, isn't it?
That is getting big. That is incredible.
If it comes over here, I'll stand in it.
I will. Look at it, Tom, in the video.
That fucking camera's shit.
Listen to it.
You get this side of your head.
Look at it all on the power lines. Wow.
Slow it down.
Here it comes in the field. Look at the grass on the bottom of the field.
Yeah.
Look at that. Here it comes across the field. It's picking up again there, look. See it?
Yeah. More dramatic with that hair, isn't it?
I tell you what, that was impressive, that, wasn't it? Is it running along across that same field? It's not in here, is it? It is here, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's just there. In the middle of it now, isn't it? You hear it?
See the top one? Come on, let's move to it. Shall we go to it? Right.
I'm John. I'm Tom. And we are storm chasers. We're just going over here. We're going to stand in the way of that big thing over there. If we get sucked up and we die, then I'd just like to say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, where is it now?
It's there.
I can feel it. Oh my God, this is scary, man.
It's there, really, isn't it?
There's the bits of air, look. There's hay There's hay falling out.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
There's hay falling out the sky like dead bodies, man. There's cows everywhere. I've seen a car get flipped over. It's gone through the bushes. Oh, the dicky birds are flying away. It's so scary, this shit, man. Tom, hold me securely. Hold me securely. Tom, if we die, I love you.
I love you too, John.
You fucking bent there. Hey, it's windy, innit? Hey, get your hands from around me, you freaky cunt. Hey, we're in it.
We're in the eye of we're in the eye of the storm. It's a shame I ain't got nowhere. It's quite windy. Oh my God, it's picking up. I think we could die here. It's right there, look.
Yeah.
Quick, get in the van! Get in the van, Tom! Hey, we're in it, lad. Oh wow, yeah, what's all the fuss? You Americans are boring. This is fuck all. Wow. scary shit.
No. Yeah.
That is bizarre. No, that is really bizarre. Fucking hell. Fucking hell! We're actually doing it, look! Fucking Jesus! Yeah, he shoved a bit of corn down back of my throat.
That was strong.
That was fucking mental.
Right, nice breeze.
Hey, tell you what, that was odd.
That was odd. You didn't see many of them, do you?
My eyes are all full of shit. Look at it. Look at the fucking... Look at everything.
I wish that one corn, I'd run after it.
That was mental. I've never seen all that before. No, it's all... Did you see how bad them bushes got?
Yeah. Yeah.
See it sucking shit out the bushes? That is insane. It's picking up again over there. Well, man, that was scary shit, dude.
Yeah, that was fucking totally
Well, I
scary.
don't know what else to say apart from I sucked in a bit of shitty fucking corn, stuck it right to the back of my windpipe, motherfucker. What about you, Tom, man?
I'm alright, man. I just have to hold on to you, man.
You're just gay. No, but look, you see, we'll show you a bit of damage up here. Look at that, it broke that leaf. But hey, regardless, joking aside, that was fucking mental. Wasn't it, Tom?
Yeah, that was mental.
That was really bizarre. We was in the eye of the storm, we survived it.
We're gonna have to ring the news, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna ring the news forecasters, man.
Bits of corn and shit everywhere.
I know. Well, I did have air before it came, like, but it's blown all my hair off, hasn't it? It's blown all my hair off. Still going off over there, though.
That looked mental over there, though, didn't it? Look at bits of
All the
hay.
shit in the power lines.
Yeah.
Wow. I tell you what, that was something else. I don't know what else to say, apart from we survived the storm together.
Mint.
I don't know where all the fuss is, to be honest.
You Americans.
Yeah, Americans, you've always got to be bigger, you've always got to be fucking better, haven't you? Well, I tell you what, you ain't got shit on us. Me and Tom did it in fucking shorts and vests, with no eye protection, and without the rain. Oh, Tom, help me back to the van. Ciao!
Ciao for now.